Hi guys, welcome back to Physics for Girls. We're doing another water experiment because we're obsessed as usual. So you're going to need a small jar of warm water, a bigger jar of cold water with some space left because we're going to do something. You'll need some string, a scissor, some paints, maybe a brush. So let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is put some coloring in this. Take a little more. Okay, I think that's a lot. This is diffusion. Maybe we can study diffusion in another video, but like, yeah. Okay, I think I did put too much, but like, yeah. Okay. Second thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take a string and tie it around this. There you go. So now I can I don't know if this is safe because like, can I lift this? Like, the thing is I want to put this in this and I'm supposed to use the string to I'm so scared. Okay. Okay, can you all see how the water immediately, like the blue immediately transferred up, and like if you all see the darker is upwards and like the lighter is downwards. I'm gonna turn this around so you all can see. Can you all see the shade difference? Yeah, okay. So you can see the darker is upwards and like the lighter shade is downwards, which is basically because okay, so let me try to explain this. This phenomenon is called convection, and convection is kind of density but a little different. We had two containers, one of hot water and one of cold water. In the hot water one, we put the coloring, right? And we can see that the coloring is moved upwards, which means the hot water moved upwards and the cold water stayed downwards. Why does this happen? So let's think of it this way. If you have a box of particles and you heat them up, they're going to move around more, right? They're hence going to occupy a higher volume of stuff. If they are occupying a higher volume, the density reduces. What is density? Mass upon volume. If volume is increasing, density is decreasing. Hence, hotter water has a lower density than colder water. And in a previous video which you can refer to about density, we learned that hotter water, basically lower density, moves upwards and higher density moves downwards. Now this is used in a lot of real world applications. For example, ACs. Where are ACs generally placed? At the bottom of the floor, or like towards the near bottom of the floor. Why is that? Sorry, they're placed at the top, right? You can see the one there. So why they placed at the top of the room? It's basically because the cold air is going to move downwards because it has a higher density. So if it moves downwards from upwards, it's basically circulating in the entire room and hence making the entire room cold. Another example, you tell me where heaters are placed. Bottom of the floor, because it heats the air at the bottom of the floor, which rises upwards and then heats up the entire room. So there are a lot of convection current example you can take. You can look up convection currents. One of the main examples is also the currents at the sea. So in the beach, they keep circulating. So the beach is cold in the day and hot at night. So you can look that up as well. But convection currents is really interesting. It's used in a lot of daily applications. What I would suggest is maybe use a bigger or like a wider container for the bigger one, so you can see the effect more clearly. I think you can see it here as well because upwards is more darker than the downwards. But I hope you all do this experiment. It is really fun, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.